Truly, this is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving heart and memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Need a warm in place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you cannot leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye. It's difficult.